Thanks for joining us today as we review co-promotions, what co-promotion is, and how to promote and be promoted on WhatsUp 24/7. First, let's talk about the term co-promotion. When we use this term, we are simply referring to community or communal promotion. This is the heart of the WhatsUp 24/7 platform, that only together can we build stronger communities. Let's get started. In your WhatsUp 24/7 dashboard, click the Co-Promotions tab. Co-promotions are where you can manage who you are promoting, who is promoting you, and discover other organizations that are promoting your entire zip code. This area of your dashboard is especially important if your organization wants to build very tailored plugins. So let's start by adding an organization to promote. Click the Add Organization button here. If you know the name of the organization you are looking for, you can type it in the search field. You can also add a zip code to refine your search, adjust the distance, or add categories. Since I know exactly what organization I'm looking for, I'm going to keep it simple. Then click Search. This is definitely the organization I was hoping to find. I'm going to click Promote to add it to the list of organizations that we're promoting. Now I will close this window so I can show you the organization I just promoted. Here's our list of organizations we are promoting now. There's Soap and Sunshine in Alexandria, Indiana. Now I'm going to click Add Organization again to expand this list. This time, I'm leaving the top search field blank. I've entered my zip code, increased my distance, and am adding categories. Depending on your goals, your promotion list might be more inclusive. But for this example, I'm curating cultural organizations, so I'm only including categories like architecture and installations, arts and artisans, various food and drink categories, museums, venues, and more. Now that search parameters are set, let's click the Search button again to generate a list of organizations to choose from. I'm going to promote some of these. You can see that as I click Promote, the organization disappears, but the promotion list behind this window is growing. Let's close this search window. So here are the organizations we are now promoting. This list comes into play when we are setting up and customizing website plugins. For some, this list can get very long. If that's you, use this search tool to look for a specific organization, or navigate pages to peruse your list. You can also remove an organization, or continue adding at any time. Let's check out this next section. These are organizations that are promoting us. While our example shows just one, for some, this list will be very long. So if that's you, make use of the search and pagination tools. It's important to note that when an organization adds you to their promotion list, our system defaults that promotion to an approved status. But if you ever want to change that, simply click Deny. This last section displays any organizations that are promoting your entire zip code. So your directory listing and/or events are likely to show up in plugins on these organizations' websites. How cool is that? Thanks for joining me as we explored co-promotions. Remember, your list of promotions is linked to customizing your website plugins. Check out our plugin videos to learn more. And if you need additional help, you can reach our support team by email, support@whatsup247.com.